If you're headed outside to take a picture, you might want to just angle those sunglasses just right, and then you can get a nice photo out there of, well, some filtered sun. Now, we had full sun this morning, but a few lighter clouds have rolled in on our Fifth Third bank cam, so it just kind of looks like we have a filter on the lens here on and over downtown. But I'm hoping to still keep some of that sun in for the afternoon. However, the clouds will continue to thicken because we will be talking about some rainfall in just a little bit. But you will see that blue line representing that sun. It just kind of drops into those cloudy categories. So we'll have the clouds here that'll be in place by sunset tonight in the 7 o'clock hour, and then they will hold because we have that rainfall that will kick in after midnight. So the clouds will not be carrying any rainfall for today. It's tomorrow that we do turn the faucet on. Now, thankfully, the clouds have been on the lighter side, and it's allowing the sun and also the southwest winds to warm us up. So our temperatures already at lunch, we're at 50 degrees. We don't have to wait for the heat as much as we did yesterday. However, it is still 48 in Monroe and into Defiance. We still have mid 40s throughout Lenawee and Hillsdale County. And further east, you're going to find Sandusky at 49. Tiffin is at 48, but we will see more 50s here on the map as we go into the afternoon. But also this afternoon, the clouds will move on in. Like I said, they're going to increase through the day. I'm hoping to still squeeze some sun into the forecast, but at least we're not squeezing raindrops in on our Tuesday. You'll find, though, overnight some bookend rain. We're going to start just the first couple of hours of Wednesday with rainfall. By the morning commute, we'll have wet roadways, but not that heavy rain falling. And even during the day, we won't see that rain. It'll be after dinner and by bedtime that we pick up the better chance for some steadier rain on Wednesday. So it's going to be on the bookends of our Wednesday that we pick up that rain, and even more, though, will hold for the Thursday, Friday, and Saturday forecast. An active pattern leaves rain chances in here even into the weekend, and by early next week, I would still have my eyes on radar, and we are going to continue to look at a busy pattern as we wrap up this month. But for today, we're looking for spring. Temperatures will be into the mid 50s, and we'll have those clouds, but still enjoy the early taste of spring because those 50s last through Thursday, and then they fall into the 40s. So at least it's the mid 40s, but you are going to find it's rainfall with it too. So it'll be a little bit cool and damp even as we go into next week, and 50s are pretty hard to find in that extended forecast. Wednesday is it. I'm happy to see some dry days, but those April showers still hold in the forecast. So Kaylee, have your umbrellas ready to go. Rain boots, raincoats. It's the sign of spring showers.
I actually have my rain boots on right now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, just in case. This time, just in case.
Yeah, and it rains so easy around these parts lately, so that's probably not the worst choice.
Yeah. Also, if you didn't know, Diane and I worked at the same station together in Lansing, and so the last 2 days have been the first time we've gotten to anchor together.
In over at least a
year and a half. So it's been really fun.
It's been really fun to be reunited and kind of share our passions with everybody here. So yeah, it's been a fun couple of days.
We usually run mornings together, so it was a lot more goofy than it is now.
A little maybe delirious at that point. But yeah, it's nice to be, up and going. Yeah. And then, after the noon, maybe go for lunch.
Hey, let's do it.
Yeah, sounds like a good plan.